Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a video today showing our experience troubleshooting and fixing Samsung Plasma PN50B450B1D, or is that 450B1D? There's a number of other ones like this. It's an old plasma. Nobody manufactures plasmas anymore. But we're good with them, and there's still some juice in them, so hopefully this will help somebody. The problem with this one was the TV was turning on, and even sound could be heard when the proper input was configured, but there was nothing on the screen. Voltages going to the two sustain boards were fine, and upon inspecting both of them, we found the X main board to be bad. We'll show a close-up. There was a number of MOSFETs that were burnt on the sustain and the energy recovery side. This is a close-up of the already repaired board. You will see some of the components that we've replaced. There was a bunch of them. I want to show you one where the tracks got burned, and when we replaced the IC, when we replaced the IC, we had to use a jumper wire here. So I don't remember how many off the top of my head were bad, but I believe those were shorted, maybe two here. Those two seem to have been replaced too. There were also cracked solder joints, so whenever you're fixing that, you can go and reflow them. At this moment, there were two boards available on eBay for replacement, but we will be placing a repair kit with all the parts that we have seen fail on this one, and most likely, I don't like advertising a universal repair kit or kit that will fix all problems in a set, but we will include the parts that we believe will be sufficient to take care of a common problem like the one that we've seen here. After fixing the board, it turned out there was something I don't remember, one of the small resistors that were feeding the gate or the base of the transistor there was also burned, and we didn't catch that the first time, but on the second try the board worked just fine. I will hit pause, and if nothing comes back, I will show the whole TV working fine after it's done. I'm sure the same can happen on the Y main board, but on this particular TV at least it didn't. So be back soon. And here we are back again. X main board's already in place. TV is running. Our regular player that you can see in all our videos, which is the music player. After it was done, the board had to be adjusted. The voltages here, I did it by year. This is a 9-year-old TV. You don't have to go by. You can, for some of the voltages, you can go by, but there's so much wear in everything that once you do it with a scope, you know exactly what you're going for. It's actually a whole lot easier and faster to just play by ear. Of course, if you see the screen and you see what is the optimal position of the pots, so that you have the best possible image. We will put a repair kit for that X main board, and hopefully save somebody some money and save the landfill from more trash. Thank you.